this is going to be my first ride at dusk. Well, getting slightly blinded by the car headlight. Woohoo! Come on! That's the best I've taken it yet. This time. Yes, YouTube, what are we saying? So, I've had a few nights off. Had to go work for a couple of days. Was away from the bike, and then obviously last night was the England fiasco. But back at it tonight, and this is going to be my first ride at dusk. Feeling a bit apprehensive, but we got to go for it. We've got to keep trying different things so we can get used to them, because if we don't, we're just going to have a fear all the time. So let's go. Here we go. Nothing coming. Gosh, this does feel like a totally different experience, but it still looks beautiful. You can see it in the distance, the sun's setting. Didn't it indicate then? Tut, tut, tut. But let's just go for a little spin and see how we get on. Hopefully the roads are a little bit quieter this time of night. Hoping they are, but I've got my wits about me. Right, nothing coming. Look straight up the road. Let's go. Indicator off. Into third. Wow, this is a different experience. Approaching the roundabout. Let's indicate. P1. And we go straight over. Nothing coming. P2, middle of the road. Checking in my mirrors, nothing behind me. Very windy, but very, very warm at the same time. Let's ease into this corner this time. It's a new experience as well, getting slightly blinded by the car headlights. Woohoo! Come on! Always thinking, I'm like, relax my shoulders, Jamie. I can just feel them hunched up, where I'm just a bit tense, and I could feel my my wrist on the accelerator was just in the wrong position as well. So I've just kind of readjusted it. up my backside now. Just keep checking my mirrors in case he goes to overtake me. This is a completely different experience. I can already feel it's taking a lot more concentration, just like it does when you're driving your car in the evening. But I'm still enjoying it, and I'm pushing myself. You know, I'm going out of my comfort zone because I want to progress on a bike, and I don't feel like I'm pushing myself too hard. I feel like I'm going at my own pace, and that's all that matters to me. This car go past now if he wants to go. No, he's not going to. That's fair enough. We keep going. Do you know what? I'm happy doing 30 in a 30. But again, like I said before, you always feel like you're almost being hurried, or I think the best way to describe it is I think you always feel like you're a bit of a nuisance in front of other cars, and that you're holding them up, even though you're sticking to the speed limit. This was that dreaded corner again, so that's the best I've taken it yet. This time I just applied a bit of front and a bit of back. I think I'm going to go to the garage I normally go to and then just turn around. It's super windy. Honestly, the concentration is a lot more, but I'm glad I've come out still. Little ride at dusk, it's quickly getting dark. You know, I do feel anxious, but I'm glad I've done it. Here's the garage. Now I'm going to take someone's advice who watched one of the videos before, and they said I was indicating before, too early before the garage, before this junction on the left. Jeez, I literally love that. What is it when you stop, you say you love it, and not enough during the ride, because the anxiety levels are literally through the roof. But I've done it. I've got to my main destination, which is this garage, and I'm happy just going back and forth during the day and around the industrial estate because I'm just honing my skills. So I'm not going to hang around here as long as I normally do because it's getting dark pretty quick and it's still quite new to me. So let's get going. Oh, car coming into the garage again. Glad I looked over my shoulder then, a life-saving rule. But nothing coming. I have to look over my left shoulder as well to see that down the road there. But let's start moving off again. That bloody no entry sign, honestly. It's in such a terrible position. Do you know what? I filled this tank up probably a week ago, 10 days ago. It still hasn't even gone down by 1 bar yet, which is absolutely unbelievable. And I think I only put 25 quid in it, maybe. Right, I mean this, at night, this is slightly easier here as well because you'll be able to see the lights of any approaching cars over the top of that hill to my left. I'll wait for this car to go over just in case it's blocking lights coming in the other direction as well, just so I can feel a bit safer. Right, always a bit of a hill start there. Indicator off. Here we go. Let's go back. Got cars coming up behind me. Relax, Jamie, relax. Come on! Just always checking my mirrors. I'm just so paranoid about them creeping up beside me. Oh, that was very windy after that lorry went past me. Absolutely wobbled me. Come on, get up this hill, girl. Get up this hill. This is the only thing with a little 125. We've got no guts on the hills. Ease off the throttle around the bend. There we go. Look up the road. That's it. I'm really starting to feel quite comfortable now with the gears, but I do still keep looking down at my speedo because it displays what gear I'm in, but I can feel that my kind of transitions up and down are getting a lot smoother now and a lot more natural on my left foot, which was like literally the bane of my life when I first started taking lessons. Nice gear changes. won't you go? Yes, another bonus about kind of riding at night is that you're easier to see from the front because your light, even though my light is on during the day, but I'd like to think that I'll stand out a bit more at night. It. Just keep him looking in my mirrors, keep him P2, keep looking up ahead. Here's another lorry, so I know to brace myself again this time. Ooh. Again, something I've learned. When a lorry is passing, be prepared for wind gusts that follow it. I guess it's like a bit of a backdraft or a slipstream. We're nearly back to the estate already. Again, relax your shoulders, Jamie, relax your shoulders. Everything's fine. Right, we're going straight over this roundabout. A little bit of back brake. Oh my god, that has been my best approach. Jesus Christ! That's been my best approach ever to a roundabout. I felt like I was braking at the right time. I was dropping down gears at the right time. And I've done it at night as well, of all times as well. Yes! Come on! Right, almost got carried away then and wasn't taking notice of this approaching garage, but oh my god, he's done it again. I'm indicating right. Let's look around the roundabout, straight up the head. Oh my god, he has absolutely smashed it. I think what I'm going to start trying to do next is, because I'm a bit jolty here, look, I'm going to try and start doing the gears without looking down. Right, nothing coming, I'm indicating right, and we're straight round. Indicator off. Back home, we're safe. We've conquered another fear, riding at night. Catch you soon.